Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim charts. First, locate the Charts tab at the top of your platform. This is your main workspace. You'll see a default chart. We'll learn to modify it. Pay attention to the toolbar above the chart for quick access to essential functions. Getting comfortable with this layout is your first step to powerful analysis and informed trading decisions. Customizing your chart is crucial. To change the time frame, click the Style button and select your desired interval from 1 minute to several years. For indicators, go to Studies and then Add Study. You can choose from hundreds, like the Relative Strength Index or a 200-period moving average. Experiment with different chart types, such as candlesticks or bar charts, to find what suits your visual preference best. Drawing tools help you visualize market patterns. Access them from the Drawing Tools panel on the right side of your chart. You can draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, or even apply Fibonacci retracements. Once you've set up a layout you like, save it as a style or template for quick recall. This saves time and ensures consistency in your analysis across different assets. For advanced users, consider setting price alerts directly from your chart. Right-click on the chart at your desired price level and select Create Alert. This notifies you of key price action. Also, remember to utilize the paper money account to practice new strategies risk-free. It's a fantastic way to refine your skills. And hey, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.